to another vlog. Into the vlog, yeah, I don't know what's going on, yeah. My washer broke down from one thing to another, so I didn't spend on spending this money that I don't have, but we need a washer because I can't afford to go to the laundromat. It's just too much headache. Before it was a dryer, now it's a washer. We heading to go look for some. Hopefully we get something on sale because your girl is on a budget. So from there, the girls might grab something to eat. I told them I want to cook for them, but maybe I will do it on Monday because I have to work. We have all the ingredients, y'all. If y'all seen the last vlog, go watch it. If you haven't seen it, we some nice, tasty, yummy, delicious food that I want to make. So we bought the ingredients yesterday, but today I have to work and tomorrow I have to work. The girls are off all week next week, so I'm gonna make some of the recipe. So I'm gonna put the meat out or the fish out, depending on which one I want to make. I'll put it out tomorrow, then I can make it on Monday, then before I go to work, or I can make that for dinner. So but anyway, yeah, that's things happen, y'all. So we'll catch you guys back up when we get in the store, or if we find something. And I have to go to work today by 2 o'clock. I wanted to go do a little side hustle job first before I go to my regular job at 2, but we'll see. Now it's about 10:36. I don't think I'll have time to do that, but we'll see. Yo, it's been so cold in Columbus. It was freezing yesterday, so it's today. So we here at Furniture's Land and Mattress. They sell appliance too, so that's where we're heading. So stay tuned.
I have a promotion now, Synchrony.
Happy Sunday to you all. Hope you have a great weekend and also a great beginning of the week. Okay, don't let this holiday stress you out. It can be stressful. Just do what you can do. There are a lot of stuff that is out of your control. So just be you. Don't stress yourself out. And right now, I'm on my way to church. I will keep you guys in prayer. And I'll catch you guys back up. So y'all, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm doing a quick car wash. So y'all, I don't know how to get out. Why do they have all this stuff? How do I get out? Oh, okay, I see.